Sorry?
In Asia. You've been in Asia?
No,
not yet.
Malaysia, Philippines,
Asia.
Thailand.
Luciano.
Luciano.
The driver.
Luciano.
He's a good person.
Good man.
Yeah.
Luciano.
Thanks.
Muy guapito.
Muy guapo.
Muy guapito.
New friend.
Yeah.
Very good oil.
Very good oil.
Malaking
Very
pama di ay.
expensive.
Environment.
Yes, because very good.
Loads of
Very good.
olive trees.
Olive tree.
Look.
Olive trees.
Gosh, nice.
Farm. Olive trees.
Millions of olive trees.
Yeah.
Sorry. Look at that. Okay, this is where we're starting. And this is, we're checking in for relax, mga friends. This is where we're checking in. Yes, see.
Oh, yan pala may grocery.
So, we finished checking in. We're here. We're going to deck 1. Excited na kami. Yeah, okay. See you in a bit.
Naka-cruise na, di ba may megaphone?
So, after checking in, we went to the upper deck. We're starting. There you go. Come on, friends. Second check-in. Parang stricto dito. They're taking pictures for everyone to come on board. So, dito pala sa MSC ay medyo strict. So, they have to confirm, and before you check in, dapat taken ka ng picture. Take sila ng, so, check pa lahat ng gamit. Lahat.
Passport mo kung maano mo
Parin mo.
video mo
Free.
So, this is it.
You can fly.
After 3 check-in, checks with the police. We're here in MSC Opera. We're here in Othello, Deck 6. We're going to have our lunch soon. So, we're inside the ship now. It's time check. It's just 11 o'clock. Naghahanap kami ng room namin. 8146, 8108 pa kami. Ang haba. Ang haba pa ng lalakarin. Yan. See, 126, 8122. Malapit na kami. So, ito ang room namin.
Garawan sana.
Yung card.
May mga pangaran yan.
Yan, open. Open sesame.
Ilaw, yan yan.
Okay, nakapasok na kami.
May mga pangaran.
Bigala po ba naman?
Ah?
Duman sa room, ano bigala mo?
May microwave naman. Ay, mga iba naman. Parehas ang ano nito. Oo, basta mahiling na lang nito.
Sa Muya kaya, ano
May ano
lang,
kami, may...
kasi 4 kami. So, we're in deck 11. So, this is where we're going to have our lunch. Yes! Say hi!
Hello.
Going to have our lunch soon. It starts at 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock. So, this is our first meal here in MSC Opera. Look, it's buffet and overlooking the sea. Very good. Oh, hi, sister. There's buffet over there. Buffet. Bon appetit. Hello. We're at the deck now of the ship. Hi. Wow, look at that. Nice. Wow, they're swimming already. Pwede na pala. Ayun, nandoon sila. Wow. Ayahay buhay. Sarap buhay nyo ah. Diba?